This video is about 5 reasons to try out Zorin OS. As you all know, Zorin OS is a popular choice of operating system for Linux newcomers. Here are some of the reasons why you should try it out. Each Linux distribution provides a particular feature set suitable for a specific target audience. With so many options to choose from, you may find it hard to select the right one. Users from other operating systems such as Windows and Mac OS often find it challenging to switch to Linux for various reasons, and that's where Zorin OS, an Ubuntu-based Linux distro, arrives on the screen. This distro is an excellent choice if you are new to Linux. Its interface and features are similar to other popular OSs and help you quickly shift to Linux. Here are some of the reasons why you should install Zorin OS as your next Linux distro. If you look at the distro ranking on distrowatch.com, Zorin OS is one of the top 10 listed Linux distros available. As it is an ideal distro for users new to Linux, it has gained significant popularity worldwide. But that's not the only reason for its adoption. Let's go and check it what are the core reasons. The first one is easy of use. Zorin OS is designed keeping in mind the newer Linux users switching from other OSs. It is simple and easy to use no matter which operating system you come from, not requiring prior knowledge to use them. You can easily customize the OS to enjoy a Windows or Mac OS like desktop look, making it easy for you to adapt. Just switch to your preferred desktop type using themes from Appearance menu. Moreover, Zorin OS claims to support some Windows apps through Wine or Play on Linux, which cuts the effort of finding Linux alternatives. It makes your experience much easier and more productive. The second reason why you should try it is because of the eye candy. Another visible features of Zorin OS is its attractive user interface and the ability to customize how your desktop looks. You can add animations, adjust animation speeds, enable or disable icons on the desktop, and change the fonts, themes, and the panel. With standard themes, you can give your device a Windows-like, Mac OS-like, or Ubuntu-like look and change your desktop's layout. You can play with it in many ways. It also lets you apply various wallpaper provided by the system to enhance your desktop visually. And with that changes, the themes bring visible changes to the whole system and not just the desktop. It even gives you the ability to customize the error dialog appearance. That's how powerful its theme and customization are. And the third reason why you should use this platform is the power of GNOME and XFCE. GNOME or GNOME is probably the most well-known Linux desktop environment that is open source and has a set of apps and tools that allows you to personalize your desktop. A customized version of GNOME is the default desktop environment of Zorin OS Pro and Core, makes it a powerful operating system with GNOME's powers at its disposal. Not only does it keep the system lightweight, but it also provides an interactive appearance to the desktop. And the fourth reason why you should try is because of the power of Ubuntu. It's safe to say that the Ubuntu is the most famous Linux distro ever. It is fast, visually interactive, and feature-packed. Being based on Ubuntu, Zorin OS harnesses its capabilities pretty well. It has inherited all the powerful features of Ubuntu. In addition, this base helps Zorin OS become most compatible with various hardware and software configuration. With Zorin OS, you can access some core Ubuntu features and apps such as apt package manager. Zorin OS is a distro worth trying if you are looking for a lightweight and fast Ubuntu based OS. Now the fifth and the core reason why you should use the Zorin OS is it's suitable for older PCs. As I detailed before, Zorin OS has a lightweight version specially developed for lower end devices. Utilizing the light XFCE desktop, it supports almost all the older devices running today. Instead of throwing away your old and outdated PC, you can easily revive it with Zorin OS Lite. Even Zorin OS Core feels lighter than other distros out there. If you are unsure which flavor to go for, try Zorin OS Core first. Here you can see the flavors of Zorin OS. You can compare Zorin OS Edition and try the best one suitable for your requirement. Zorin OS is a versatile Linux distro with three main editions, that is one Pro, Core and Lite. The goal is to provide a productive, clean, and easy to use OS for all users from novice to advanced. So hope you have liked my views and thoughts on Zorin OS. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.